Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how can you add two or more animation to one clip in CapCut PC. Actually it's very simple, but maybe someone doesn't know how, so let's get started. Add your clip to the track, and yeah, basically one clip can only be added one animation, but we can use this trick. You just split the clip into several parts, but I think um, edit duration should be extended first, and just split the clip. So for instance, I'm going to split the clip into three parts. So you just add the animation to each clip. So select the first clip and select animation, and you can select in animation and select the animation that you like. You can adjust for iteration. Select the second clip, select combo animation, select the animation and adjust for iteration, and select the last clip, and you can select out animation. Yeah, and you can see for the final result like this. That's it. So I hope this was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And if you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click thanks button for a break.